That's natural pest control right there, folks. I do not put these frogs, these tiny green tree frogs, in our greenhouse. They're just in here all the time. They multiply and they eat the bugs. So that's what he looks like. He's sitting on a date palm right now. This is the frond of a Phoenix canariensis, Canary Island date palm. And I'm watering in here, so he just jumped in front of me. So I figured, hey, I got my camera. Let's do a little video of him here. So that's how we control our pests in the greenhouse here with these little tree frogs, right? They're great. That's a natural, organic way to control bugs, those little guys. And like I say, there's a lot of them in here. All right, thanks for watching. Try them in your own greenhouse. They're cute, aren't they? Make a lot of noise too, especially at night. There's like thousands and thousands of them croaking away every night out in the forest. Cheers.